www.gibsontruckworld. Calm 2006 Chevy 2500 LT Crew Cab Long Bed 4-wheel drive with only 45k miles, riding on a nice set of 295 Nittos. 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, power seating, CD player, keyless entry, alarm, chrome Nerf bars, bed liner and towing package with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors. Visit Gibson Truck World today and choose from over $7 million in inventory. Gibson Truck World is highly regarded as the world's largest, most trustworthy truck dealership. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the continental United States, 12 months free maintenance from our 23-bay service department with our exclusive 15-day return policy. Honest, reliable, loyal, we are the king of trucks. We will pay